Hey everybody, today we are showing you how we can mirror or flip the camera on your Discord easily. So whether you're on PC or mobile, let's just get started and fix this issue. So if you're going to Discord, let's go to Discord. And you're trying to access a camera through Discord, the flipped version. Discord does not have a built-in camera mirror toggle, so we can do it using the Windows settings or a virtual camera. So I can check if your camera app supports mirroring. For that, you need to press Windows plus S and just go over and type in camera. And once you find camera, you can go to the app settings of the camera. And there, if you find the camera flip or mirror option, you can just go over and toggle that option right there and turn it on. You can also do it within the application if you find it, because if that option is allowed, you can reopen the Discord once that is done, and you should be finding the mirrored feed on your Discord. Apart from that, you can use OBS Virtual Camera. Works for every camera, so you can install OBS Studio for that. And once you have installed OBS Studio, you can just go over and open it up, and this should be the particular screen. You can just go over and add your webcam. So for that, look out for the sources option and select this plus option right here, and select the option of webcam from here. Look out for your camera video capture device, and once it is added, you can just go over and transform and flip the horizontal and start up the virtual camera on your OBS. And once this is done, you can just go over and go to your Discord, and within your Discord, go to settings, and from there, go to voice and video, and within here, go to video section. And from here, you can select this camera for default and select the option of OBS Studio instead of this, and apply it up. And test out the video once that is done, and your camera should appear mirrored on your Discord. And that's how we mirror the camera on Discord. So if this video was helpful, be sure to like this video. Also subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we hope this video was helpful to you.